Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching. For those of you that saw my most recent vlog, this is the makeup look that I was wearing in it. And I thought I didn't want to just upload a vlog this week, so I decided to also record my go-to look for you. The first thing I'm going to use is this Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be applying it on my eyelids as well as underneath my eyes to help brighten up the area around my eyes. This makes me look a lot more awake and it makes my eyes look a lot more open, so I always start with this, regardless if I'm going to go full glam or not. But for today, this is the only type of concealer or anything that I'm going to be applying. Next, I'm taking this pale nude color from my Carly Bible palette and I'm applying it over this eyeshadow base to set it, to make sure there isn't any creasing and to brighten it up some more. Next, I'm using this Nevada Gold eyeshadow crayon from the Body Shop. You can use whatever golden eyeshadow you want to, but this has a nice chunky golden texture to it, so I'm using it to color in my eyelids. And I make sure to color in right against my lash line, as well as in the inner corners of my eyelids, because I feel this just makes it look more rounded off. And then because this is a crayon, I just rub over it with my fingertips to smooth it out so that you don't see any lines on my eyelids. Next, I'm picking up this orangey color and this paler color from my Carly Bible palette with a fluffy blending brush, and I'm working it into the crease of my eyelids. This is going to help my eyes look more open and larger, so I always go for something in my crease. And you can just apply one color like this and stop, but I am a little extra and I like adding some depth and definition to my eyes. So I'm also going to pick up a bit more of a mauve color and a brown color with a flatter brush, and I'm going to work this in right into my crease, and I'm not going to blend it out as far as I did with the other colors. And I'm also going to drag these two colors around on my lower lash line because I feel that just rounds the eyeshadow off more. I feel weird if I don't have eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well. So after doing that, I just go over it with the other two colors that were in my crease to make it match the top eyelid. It's not necessary, but I'm extra like that, and then to make sure everything is blended, I go over it with my fluffy blending brush. Next, I use my favorite highlighter from this Carly Bible palette, and because I love highlights, I'm going to be applying it all over my face. I'm applying it on my cupid's bow, in my tear ducts, underneath my brows, and on my nose. For my eyebrows, I simply comb them out because I feel they are defined enough as they are. So next, I'm going in with my Catrice Lashes to Kill mascara, and I'm going to be applying some mascara on my upper and my lower lashes, but because I don't want my eyes to look too round, I'm not applying as much on my lower lashes as the top, because the more you apply on your lower lashes, the rounder your eyes are going to look, and that's not quite the look I was going for, so I focus more on my upper lashes. For lips, I'm going in with this matte LA Girl lipstick in the color Ooh La La, and I'm going to be applying it carefully on my lips. I don't want it to be applied too thickly because this lipstick comes off a lot, but I do want there to be a bit of color, so I'm applying this first. And then over it, I'm using this liquid lipstick by LA Girl in the color Fleer, and I'm basically dotting it on and then using my fingers to spread it out. And because this is a liquid lipstick, it'll make sure your lipstick stays on practically the whole day. I never really have an issue with this combination coming off. And then just to add a bit more highlight to the middle of my lips, I'm going in with the Ooh La La lipstick again. Now for my hair, I usually blow it out and then I either have it in a braid or in a bunch like that when I go to bed. So I basically just brushed out my hair and then put on sunglasses because I never actually wear glasses as anything other than an accessory. So that's what I did with my hair, and then back to my face. I felt like the bags underneath my eyes were really apparent, so I went back to that nude color and used it as a brightening powder to hide the bags underneath my eyes and to make me look more awake instead of using concealer. And then this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye bye!